What's up, everybody? Rob Rich here, and welcome back to Rich and Groovy. As you can see, it's almost time for fall, so it's a little chilly. So we got something to keep those bones nice and warm. Before we get into it, remember that this video is mirrored. That means that my right is your right, and my left is your left. On the right today, we got Liz, and on the left, we got Keenan. You know what to do. Grab the water bottle, get the towel if you want to sweat, and let's get moving. DJ, go ahead and drop it like it's cold. No? No? Okay, let's warm this up. Say hello to your body for me. Bend those knees a little bit. You know we got to use the knees. Get in the floor. Your first move is going to start on your right foot slowly. You're going to step on the right, shift to the right, pick up your left foot. You're going to step on the left, shift to the left, pick up your right. So it's a little crazy in the beginning, but step right, shift your weight right, pick up your left, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Watch this, we go. 1, shift 3, up 5, 6, 7, 8, step. Shift your weight, pick up the foot. 6, 7, you going. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 6, 7 and 8. This is one shift, lift, and lift, step, shift, lift, forward. Step, shift, lift, 6, 7, hold that core. Step, shift, lift. Doesn't have to be high. Speed it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You okay? All right, take a second. Music went out for a second, but that's okay. Let's really get into this. Step on the right foot, shift your weight to the right, pick up the left. Step on the left, shift, up. You got 1 and 2, 3, it's okay, and 4. I see you back there. Step, shift, lift, step, shift, lift. There we go again. Step, shift, lift, step, shift, lift. Center, shift, up, center, shift. Here we speed it up. 1 and 2, 3. Don't think about it too much, but you gotta think about it a little bit, right? Have a good time. If you can't get this right now, just go step and lift until you get that in between. So this is a modified step, lift, lift. Let's go one more time. Go step and 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Switch it up here. Out, in, slide right, 6, 7, 8, left, in, slide left, high. Hands are free. Have a good time. 2, 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got this one. 6, 7. Speed it up. This is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You're stepping out, in, sliding right, out, in, sliding left. How you doing? Watch this. Front, cross, front, back. Front, cross, front, back. Step on the right heel, right toe, right heel. Step together. Left heel, left toe, left heel. Step together. Watch this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 7. Slow it down. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and this goes heel, toe, heel together, heel, toe. I know, y'all. This one is a little bit of a little intermediate, a little bit. Have to give you a little something. It's fall. Changes in the fall, right? Growth. 5, 6, 5, 6. Speed it up. We got go 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. And when you get it, look at my body. That groove starts to come alive. We don't want flat when we get it. So we don't want this when we get it. Okay? I love river dance, but it's not river dance, okay? So give it a little. And I'm sweating too. Take a second, grab some water. I know I need some. Ooh, I'm sweating, y'all. Okay? It's a lot of footwork today. So be okay with that. think of being light on your toes. We're still grounded, right? So we're into the floor. It means we're not standing up here, but you want to be light on those feet so they can move. Bring it back, y'all. We got next move. What is it? Let's groove, figure it out. Okay, I got it. This came to me. Chi-town step. So you're gonna step the right, then the left, 2 times right, back, ha. Go out, bring it back, out, bring it back, out, back. I'm using my toes more than anything, right? So it's not really my flat foot. Yes, you could do the heel as well if you want to. That's fine. I'm going with my toe. I see Keenan got the heel. You got options, you got options. Ha. What's Liz got over here? She got the toe. Let's speed it up. 7 we got. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go 5 and 6 and it should feel good. You see that? Ooh, with the music. You can put stuff in between when you get it. 1 and 2 and 3. Go 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5 and 6 and 7. One more. 1, 3, 5, 7. How y'all doing back here? Let me check. All right. Next move goes like this. Step, twist, step, wait here, step, open, close. Really slow again. Step your left, twist your heels, bring it back, step together, open your heels, and go here. It's going to look like this. Watch. You're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Oh, they got it. So you probably got it too. 5 and 6, 7. Let's slow it down. 1 and 2, go. 3 and 4. One more. 5 and 6. You got it. 7 and 8. Again like that. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Speed it up. Go 1. Ooh. Look, when you get it, the shoulders can activate. 1 and 2, go 3 and 5. You can lose your focus, y'all. You ain't gotta always look at the front. Okay, have a good time. Hey. Ha. Last one. Give it a little soul now. Watch this. Simple. Step 2 on your right. 2 on a single. Use your hips. You see the hips moving. So break it down. If I'm going right twice, it goes to the left. Left hip goes to the right. Opposition, right? Opposite foot, opposite hip. Nice. Take a second and we're coming back on that. Remember, you're working in opposition. When I step on my right foot, my hips go to the left. When I step on my left, it goes to the right. And I'm actually using my feet. So I don't have to just lean. I could, right? That's also fine. But if I want to get more from that groove, I can pick up that heel and push it into the floor. And it feels like it's going into the floor on the whole count. Watch. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once you get it too. You get the lead. One more. We got 1, 2, 3. How y'all doing? Y'all good? I see y'all back there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna hop this twice.